Hey, what's going on, guys? The Valley Parkway by Shannon Soaps. It's a great scent. I also have the Woodlands as well from Shannon's. And to me, this one's a bit darker. Obviously, it says woods on it, right? So it's a bit like woodier, heavier. This one's like, I'd consider it light and bright. It's just a very nice, like, I get like a citrus. I also have the aftershave splash, and we'll be lathering with the Escali. So we'll go straight into the puck. Hope everyone's weekend is going well. And hopefully you're not too hungover from last week. I know going into work, like, I had to work last Friday after Thanksgiving, the Friday after Thanksgiving, but like, it was more of like, just be there. I really didn't get too much done because I was there, but I wasn't there. You know what I mean? That's what we'll do. Wet the face. This is definitely going to be weird and probably a longer shave since I am shaving my entire face as opposed to just like where the goatee isn't. So it's going to be a long shave. Bear with me. It's also going to be an awkward shave because I haven't shaved like the goatee area in quite some time. So, all right. We'll see. Another experimental edge on a GD66. I have some notes written on the back of that just so I don't forget what is on this edge. So, yeah. But Shannon's is a very, very good soap. I think actually they were 20% off. I wouldn't check. Lingophile said something about checking different different artisans and whatnot. And I went and checked for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Shannon's, and they're also doing like a little, I think it was 20% off of certain soaps or whatever. Or maybe it's all soaps, I don't remember. But I may or may not have picked up soaps from different artisans. If my wife watches this video, I did not buy any soap. Don't worry. Yeah, you can just see the sheen on this. Very nice. All right. That's where we'll stop. It's so nice having a good smelling soap. It really is. You know? And don't get me wrong, I have many good smelling soaps. This is definitely one of them. But you know, just like when you lather it up and you're just smelling it, and I don't know. To me, it's really, really nice. Just about to have it fall on off my blade. I hydrated this a ton, if you couldn't tell. Told you it's gonna be an awkward shave. I think I just nicked myself right under the nose because like I'm not I'm not used to having to shave there. So like I went in and a little too hard. Yep. Cut myself. Oh man. Then we have Christmas right around the corner, right? And then New Year's. Jeez Louise. You know, sometimes I wonder, I'm assuming 2020 wouldn't have gone by as fast if COVID wasn't a thing, right? I mean, I think most people would agree with that. If COVID weren't in the world, 2020 would have at least felt like it went by much slower than it actually did. I really don't have a lot of allergies, but I feel like this year, like this winter, it's a bit more than I normally get. I don't know. Lather is flying everywhere. Shannon's aftershaves as well are actually Shannon and Peter Charkalis, Ariana and Evans. They kind of have like a milky look to them. So you see how it's kind of like milky. I mean, there's no other. It's not as thick as milk, obviously, but I don't know if that's witch hazel or what that is. It gives it that kind of milky look, but so the edge. Well, this edge is it's not tuggy, but it's also not like very smooth. So it's like a I don't know. It's a different edge for sure. It's a synthetic stone. Now, I've used this synthetic stone several times. But never in the way I used it here. So I used slurry from my natural stone on the synthetic stone. And I didn't really know what to expect as far as like how this is gonna end up. But it's really not that bad. It's not as, I don't know, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I mean, it's actually popping hairs, which is what you want from any straight razor. You know, you don't want it to like tug the hair out. You want it to pop the hair, so it's doing its job there. Add a little bit of water to this. There we go. Froth it up a little bit. Shannon soaps is definitely one that could take water. And I think, you know, I haven't had an artisan recently. It's been quite some time since I've purchased soap from an artisan that I just was not happy with. Now, there's, you know, better soaps than others, but for me, if you don't hear me complaining about a soap, then I probably like it. I mean, it may have its quirks or its things that I don't like about it, but generally speaking, if I'm not complaining about it, I actually like it. So, all right, let's finish it up. All right. I completely forgot today that I had a package from Linguafile that I needed to go pick up. So it's gonna have to wait until tomorrow. Unfortunately. Yeah, this edge on the parts where I need it to be super sharp, like around the goatee area, nah. But that's why we try things out. You know, that's something I won't try out again. But it's interesting because it's, you know, will the slurry act that way with every synthetic? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe it's just the synthetic that I have. So, yeah. Like I said, it's always trial and error like anything else. So, trial and error. All right. Like a bump there that I had that I apparently nicked. All right. And like I said, Valley Parkway. It is a nice scent. She's not happy, apparently. All right, guys, that's the shave. For the next shave, I didn't really bring anything in to vote, but I mean, the majority, you know, the soaps that I have anyways. So vote down below on what soap you want me to shave with. Like I said, I don't have any in front of me to show you, but yeah, whatever has the most votes in the comments, that's what I'll shave with. Thanks for watching.